The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a tornado watch for the following counties: Jefferson County in north central Kentucky. This includes the city of Louisville, Bullitt County in north central Kentucky, Spencer County in north central Kentucky, Shelby County in north central Kentucky. This includes the city of Frankfort, Henry County in north central Kentucky, Oldham County in north central Kentucky. Until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of extremely severe thunderstorms approaching the watch area. These storms have a history of producing large hail to the size of grapefruits, or about 4 inches in diameter, destructive winds to 80 miles per hour, and tornadoes. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Large, violent, destructive tornadoes, hail to 4 inches in diameter, and wind gusts to 80 miles per hour are possible in these areas. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for tornadoes and severe thunderstorms in and close to the watch area. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio or local media outlets for the latest updates on this life-threatening situation. The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a tornado warning for Jefferson County in north central Kentucky. This includes the city of Louisville, Bullitt County in north central Kentucky, Oldham County in north central Kentucky. Until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated an extremely severe thunderstorm with powerful rotation capable of producing a large, violent tornado. The storm was located in Clark County, Indiana, and is heading directly towards the Louisville metropolitan area. Take cover now. Move to the basement or lowest floor of your building. If in a vehicle or mobile home, evacuate them immediately and move to a substantial shelter. Do not take shelter under highway overpasses. As a last resort, lay flat in the nearest ditch or culvert and cover your head with your hands. Repeating, this storm has powerful rotation capable of producing a large, violent tornado. A tornado may already be on the ground, or will be shortly. Take shelter immediately. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio or your local media outlets for the latest updates on this dangerous situation. Report severe weather to the National Weather Service by calling 1-800-633-6772 when you can do so safely. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for portions of north central Kentucky, as a particularly dangerous situation. The National Weather Service in Louisville has upgraded the tornado warning for Jefferson County in north central Kentucky. This includes the city of Louisville to a tornado emergency until 7:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, trained weather spotters reported a large violent tornado on the ground moving through downtown Louisville. This tornado has caused extensive damage. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. A large tornado is on the ground. Seek shelter now. Move to a sturdy building and get underground if possible. Interior rooms may not be capable of protecting you from this tornado, but they should still be used if no underground shelter is available. Do not take shelter under highway overpasses. Repeating, a large tornado is on the ground in downtown Louisville. This tornado is moving south at 14 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for the city of Louisville. The National Weather Service in Louisville has downgraded the tornado emergency for Jefferson County in north-central Kentucky. This includes the city of Louisville to a tornado warning. At 6:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, trained weather spotters reported that the tornado had dissipated and lifted off the ground near Broadway and First Streets. However, this storm could produce another tornado with little or no advance warning. Remain in your tornado-safe place until notified. A tornado warning remains in effect until 7:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for Jefferson, Oldham, and Bullitt counties. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time as a particularly dangerous situation. The National Weather Service in Louisville has canceled the tornado watch for the following counties: Jefferson County in north-central Kentucky. This includes the city of Louisville, Bullitt County in north-central Kentucky, Spencer County in north-central Kentucky, Shelby County in north-central Kentucky. This includes the city of Frankfort, Henry County in north-central Kentucky, Oldham County in north-central Kentucky. The threat for tornadic storms has ended. All storms in the area have significantly weakened below severe limits. Repeating, the tornado watch has been canceled.